Don't click off. Your opinion will decide the fate of this computer. Yes, it is all beat up and I've used this thing for parts a lot, but should I fix it or should I destroy it? Back when I got this computer, I got it from a friend with the sole intention of just completely annihilating it. I got inspired by a guy who destroyed his 3DS in 50 comedic ways, and I got inspired by that, and I wanted to do it. This had Windows Vista, a NVIDIA GPU, I don't know what it is, it's like a 7000 something, 4 gigs of RAM, which 3 of them are right there, CD drive, which didn't work, and yeah. So you're probably wondering why haven't you seen this yet? If you saw not to run Linux on this machine, you'd know that Linux doesn't look too good. And now this thing rarely boots up. So on the off chance it does boot up, it won't boot up after that. Everything turns on, the fans ramp up, but that's it. Nothing else happens. No post beeps, no nothing. So that is what I want you guys to tell me. Should I fix this and make it usable again? Or should I finish what I started and completely destroy this? It's up to you guys, and whatever you say, I'll do. I'll keep this video up for as long as I want to, and whatever gets the most votes wins. If you tell me to destroy it and it gets more votes than keep it, then I'll destroy it. If you want me to keep it and not destroy it, if that gets more votes, I'll do it. Like I said, the decision is up to you. So, thanks for watching, and please tell me what I should do, because I either need to make this thing usable again, or I destroy it. Those are the only two options. So, please tell me what to do. Thank you. Goodbye.